welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a swap that I received not too long ago. We did it was in March it was due, but we did the winter loaded bag swap, and this was hosted by Bethany, and she is your Crafty BFF on YouTube, Instagram, and Etsy. And I will link her channel down below so you can go check her out. And my loaded bag is actually from Bethany, so that is where my swap came from. And let's just dive in. We did have a tutorial that we were to follow so that you could have a pocket in the front, then an accordion pocket, and then a larger pocket in the very back. And she also did one where you can add a pocket to the back. And we had to use a winter collection, and then we had some criteria of what to put in our loaded bag. I think there were several that we could choose from and put them into our loaded bag. So let's get started. And I love these flowers. Those are made out of foam. Those are super cute. Now, being a crafter, I will either reuse this loaded bag or I will take it apart piece by piece and use every little inch of it in a project that I might do. So the first thing that we had to do was a memory decks card. And Bethany is a superb crafter. Absolutely wonderful. And I think this is maybe the Snow and Cocoa collection. At least that's what the snowman looks like, but I'm not positive. And then this is her memory deck card. And I will even save the doilies, the snowman, the winter. I will save that to use. But her, look at her memory decks. And the spoon is super cute. That would have been a die. So, wow, look at that. That is a, so I wonder if Bethany just put, did you stitch this, Bethany, yourself and put it on this little die? It's a embroidery hoop is what it is. And then we have the little marshmallow that's popped up there. It says snowflakes. And her information is on the back. Oh gosh, she was born in 1987. So she's young. And she's from Ohio. But I was born in 72. So that tells you how young that Bethany is. I was partying in the 80s when she grew up. I was just partying, finishing high school. So then the next thing that we had to include some bows. And I'll just be honest, I am really practicing and working on my die cuts. If I can figure out how to do it on my little Cricut Joy Extra, then I will do some die cutting that way. But here are the little bows that she made. I love the little gold that it is backed with, and then the sweet sparkly paper. And she gave me 2 of each of these bows. And then a super cute bag where it color coordinates so well with this collection. So there are the bows, and there are the Memdex card. The next thing that we have in our little pocket, the front one's empty. Let's go with this. Is a die of some snowflakes. Super cute. Love this. And I got some white glitter paper from Tailored Expressions. White glitter cardstock that I could cut these out on, and they would be super cute. snowflakes. So love those. Thank you, Bethany, for this die. And then the next thing that we have is this envelope. And she used some glitter, either maybe some stickles or just glitter. Maybe even a glitter pen, like a Wink of Stella. Her envelope says warm and cozy. She has a little Velcro attached to it so she can keep her card closed. Okay. And then I like that she popped this up so you get the background on all of these sentiments, and she used foam, a nice white foam, to cut out these sentiments. So we have winter, and then we have time, we have snowflakes, cold, snow, sweater, weather. So super cute. She's good at her little die cuts, because I'm not as good with the die cuts. So here are some snowflakes that she did. I love that blue paper. So super cute. And she popped them up a little bit so that they were a little thicker. And then we have this little gnome. It is holding like maybe a snowman cookie. Has the earmuffs, little hat, super cute, little feet. And then we have a little hoodie die cut. That's super cute. And here is this is super cute. So you die cut all of this, Bethany? That's super cute paper with it's just like a hint of silver on it. So super cute. And then we also have a little snowman. So those are the die cuts. Let's put them back in here so I don't lose any of them. And our little sentiments. I like that she used that foam, the white foam, because it makes it really look snowy. Really goes with this collection good. So there are the die cuts, and then we have a sequins mix in this cute little box. Now, I guess you're supposed to peel those open. I can't peel this open. This is too cute. So it makes a little shaker box to put your little mix in, your sequin mix. That's the word I was looking for. So super cute. And then she put the little snow, a little bell, and then a snowflake charm. And then here is a little bag, which we have the cute little bow. Oh, it's made out of hearts. That's super cute with a little Jemmy on top. Now we gotta save the bags. Oh, super cute. So she made some little mugs of cocoa. It has the whipped cream at the top, and they are shakers. Shakers is not something I don't know if I'll ever be able to do shaker. Well, I guess I should never say never, but super cute shakers, and the little package that it's in. And then the next thing that we have, which I love the bag toppers. This one is a she's used this like snowy what's it called, mesh, and she has the little shaker in there. She put a little charm with the gloves on it. I love her little snow. She put it even on the letters. Super cute. And then she even stitched the bottom part of this. Oh, good. So you can just open it like this with the Velcro. And then she made these embellishments. She left one blank so I can embellish it. But, and these are like little die-cut stamps. They look like a stamp. And then the mittens. Super cute. And then in the back pocket, we have some goodies. So see, I can save this to use again, or I can take it apart and just use all the pieces in a swap. But at least I know how to make the loaded bag now as well. So here we have another one of the little heart bows with the clothespin and a little jemmy. We have some dimensional snow stickers, snowflake stickers with the little jemmies in the middle. And I've never seen these dimensional snowflake stickers. I don't have any of these. I've seen these before, but I think I used all mine. So super cute. And then she made some winter flowers. I dropped one of my little clothespins. So here are the little winter flowers, which she has really layered them up so nicely. And then they have the little jemmies in the middle. I really like the pearls. And then she has put like stickles or just some glittery glue, probably stickles. And then here we have the carriage, and she's done one in the as a bag topper. Oh, good. It's easy to get off. That way we can reuse that. That almost looks like Mickey ears. So these are like little winter carriages. So super cute, and she has popped them up so that they are nice and thick. Oh, these are bag toppers. So they're like little carriage bag toppers. Nice. Love those. And that is my winter loaded bag swap that I received from Bethany. And she is, like I said, your _ crafty _ BFF on YouTube, Instagram, and on Etsy. And I will link her channel down below so you can go give her a follow, subscribe to her channel if you would like. She is she's very good at teaching us different she does a lot of tutorials, which I appreciate because I have a lot to learn. But I was pretty proud of my loaded bag. It came out just right. And thank you, Bethany, for all of these goodies. I can't believe that we were able to fit all of these things into a loaded bag, but they fit wonderfully. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.